The primary way that system administrators will interact with Automata Deploy is through our web-based Automata software catalog or admin console. Start by signing in using the credentials that we provided you at catalog.automata-tech.com. We require multi-factor, so feel free to use whatever application you would like for setting up your MFA token. Personally, I'm using Microsoft Authenticator. Here we have our Automata software catalog, and this is going to list all of our software here. And we also have, I'll just give you a little tour around here. We've got the latest version that's available, the developer, the category of software, and the date that it was packaged and imported into the system. And you can actually sort by these. So if you want to just see what's the latest thing that was imported, looks like OneDrive was installed this morning. Looks like we did the same thing for OneNote and Edge. So you get an idea here by date when these were updated or added to the catalog. Go ahead and sort it by software again. Up top here we can do a search. We can see what we have set for install, optional, uninstalled, or no selection. We can search by application here. We type in something like, I don't know, Adobe, let's say. You can just get all the Adobe applications here. And we have the ability over here to change how many we're showing per page. So let's just switch this to 100 so we can see all of them right now. So we're always adding to our catalog. Now another thing you can do is just click on an icon here for any software application, and it's going to give you a description of what that application is, just in case you're unfamiliar with it. And then across the top here we have our install, optional, and uninstall boxes. And this is where the real magic happens. Here we've got these all set to automatically install, but we can also make adjustments here as well. We can change them to optional, or we can uninstall them from any of our clients. So let's say we're no longer using 1Password. I can just go over here and check the box that says uninstall and scroll down here to the bottom and choose Save Manifest. And once I hit save, it's going to update it. And the next time that the software checks in on all of your clients, it's going to just go ahead and automatically prompt to uninstall 1Password. And we do the same thing with installation. I can go in here and check a box to install it. And that's going to make sure that all my clients, the next time that they check in with the server, which is right around about once an hour, sometimes a little more often, a little less often than that, they're going to go ahead and start installing the application. Now I'll go ahead and save that again here. And then the last thing is optional. And in optional, that means that we're not going to automatically install the application, but if it's installed on the machine, we'll update it. And we'll give the end user the ability to install it if they wish. So optional would be to craft sort of a self-service app store experience. So you could make most, if not all, of your applications optional and leave it up to your end users to install approved applications. Or you can set certain things that you want everyone to have, like you could make one application, let's say Google Chrome, installable so that it automatically installs on all of your machines. But then you can maybe say something like Adobe Creative Cloud is just optional so that only people who really want Adobe Creative Cloud or need Adobe Creative Cloud can install it. So just for argument's sake here, I'm going to go ahead and just make all of these optional. With the exception of Chrome, we'll go ahead and force that to install. And we'll go ahead and hit save here. And now that we've made our changes on our Automata Deploy catalog, let's sign into one of our managed Macs and see how this looks to the end user.